we're going to unbox Sephora. Ay, nakita niyo. Hello guys! Walang muka. Hi! So, mag-unbox tayo. It came all the way from Singapore. Pero yung packaging niya parang hindi sobrang sobrang tight. Naka-priority naman siya. Konti lang laman nito, pero ang laki ng box. Ayan. Dada! This came today on your birthday. Dada!
Yeah.
Wait. Puro paper. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God! What is this? Is this a joke? For the amount of... Is this a joke? No. This is I don't know how to pronounce. Bosha. This is free lang. And Biosense. And actually this is free. So unboxing for work. This one, tanan. It's First Aid Beauty for Skin Rescue Daily Face Cream for oily face. And this is the one that I'm looking forward. Ta-da! The Littles Rank Elephant. Yay! Look, Dada, we have a pouch. Oh my God, ito lang yung laman niya. Tapos yung box niya is, baka meron pa sa ilalim. Wala no. Kalaki-laki ng box. Yan. Yan lang ang laman niya. This one is so nice. Tada! So, we've got C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Then, Umbra Teen Physical Daily Defense Sunscreen. I like the colors. TLC Frangus Glycolic Night Serum. There you go. V-Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. Another one, C Firma Day Serum. Next, Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So these are all littles. And Jelly Cleanser. The last one is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream. So that's it. That's it for pesos. So we just got this jelly pouch. Can do this thing. Nagilik na yung asawa ko. So, Yes, that's it.